I will highly recommend everyone to start making videos for learning English. Just choose one topic every day and speak about that topic. Speak over that topic every day. It can be about your studies, it can be about any current news, it can be about anything which is going on or which which might have happened in the past. You can speak about anything. Just you have to practice, you have to start making videos for practice purpose, for practicing purposes. You just have to start making videos. It will help you a lot. This is the reality, because if you are talking about me, if I am talking about myself, that how making videos helped me a lot to get fluent. And so I am going to tell, when I was beginner, I practiced a lot. I gave enough time. I learned so many sentences, daily life phrases. I started listening a lot. I did a lot of practice every day. I used to speak in front of the mirror. I used to practice a lot. I used to learn, and after that I used to use those sentences, those learnings that I used to get from listening part. I used to use, but somehow it took a long period of time. But from when I started making videos, I have seen insane change. I have seen a lot of change in my fluency. I am more confident than before. I am more confident because we practice a lot in the house. We do everything for learning this language. But whenever the situation comes where we just have to speak in front of the public, we just have to talk. So here making videos will help you. Making videos will give you the confidence, because you are just having a conversation every day on another different topics, where you are just getting the knowledge with English practice, and it is giving kind of confidence every day. It is giving a kind of knowledge that you are gaining by making videos, and after that you are just using publicly. You are using those learnings those you have gained from videos. I know making videos is not everyone's deal. Everyone cannot make videos, because making videos needs courage, because you are just facing the hurdles every day. You are just facing new hurdles every day. You are not able to speak even a single sentence in starting, but even then you have to shoot the video every day. That is the tough thing you have to do. You have to push yourself, you have to push forward yourself every day. You have to learn a new thing and use that in your English speaking, and learn every day and be fluent. That is the most important thing that I have told. Start making videos, whether you come from village area or whether you come from city areas. It doesn't matter. It does not matter. Just start making videos. You will improve. 100% you will improve. That is very good step you have to take. That is very good step you have to take. And only this step will make you fluent. Only this step will help you a lot. That is very important thing. And many guys say, I don't have the partner, I don't have anyone with whom I can practice. So making videos can solve that problem easily. Making videos can solve this problem easily. There are lots of guys who are making videos, and they are learning English by making videos, and they are uploading on YouTube. Whether they are not speaking very well, but they have the courage. They have shown the courage. They have shown the courage to make videos. They are uploading. They are learning. I know they are speaking tutti frutti English. They are not speaking very well. They are not fluent till now, but they are making videos. Why are they making? They are fool. No. because they want to improve. They know that if we will make videos every day, so we will automatically get fluent. We will improve every day. So only this is why they are making videos. Only this is why they are making videos. So I will highly recommend everyone to start making videos. If you don't want to upload on YouTube, don't worry, just make videos and watch your videos after making video, so that you can make over the mistakes that you are making, where you are hesitating while speaking, where you are making false. You just have to correct the mistakes. This will help you a lot. If you found this video helpful, so please like and subscribe to my channel and support me. Okay, so have a good day. We will meet in another very specific video. Bye bye.